Hi, everyone, and Happy New Year. This year, I'm putting my resolutions out there and speaking them out loud to stay accountable. And I've got two to share. On the personal front, I'm committing to hydrating more. So my goal is to finish one of these massive water bottles every day. And on the professional front, my goal is to inspire everyday acts of inclusion at work. So I'm talking about those small yet powerful behaviors that make everyone feel a sense of belonging. So, why this goal, you ask? Because honestly, our world needs less division and more joy right now. And while I can't change the world at large, I can make a positive impact in the workplace through the work that my team and I do with our clients. So here's my commitment. I'll be sharing weekly video tips on simple acts of inclusion that can transform the workplace to better support belonging, well being, to embrace differences as an asset, and to make the day to day more joyful. Maybe these tips will spark some new behaviors for you, turning them into habits, just like my commitment to drink water every day. So hold me accountable, friends, and cheers to a year of positive change.